The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to the Maths class. Children, you are familiar with numbers, isn't it? Already you know to count numbers. Let us have a brush up with our previous lesson, numbers. Your friend Anvi has got few chocolates with her. Let us count how many chocolates she has. Start counting. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, Anvi has got how many chocolates? 7 chocolates she has. How many? 7 chocolates. So, Anvi has got how many chocolates? She has 7 chocolates. Let us move to the next chapter, that is putting together. What is this putting together? We will see what is putting together, okay? So, Anvi has got 7 chocolates. Her friend Sandy gave her 2 more chocolates, okay? Sandy gave her 2 more chocolates. How many chocolates Sandy gave? 2. Anvi has got 7 chocolates. So already she has 7 chocolates. Now her friend Sandy gave her 2 more chocolates. So how much she has now? What is the total chocolate that she is having? How many chocolates does she has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many chocolates? So how many chocolates Anvi has now? 9 chocolates. 9. Now, your friend Hashim is having 4 balloons. Okay? He is having 4 balloons. His father gave him 2 more balloons. Okay? Hashim is having 4 balloons. Balloons Hashim has 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 4 balloons he has. His father gave him 2 more balloons. How many? 2 more balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Hashim is having how many balloons? 6 balloons. Hashim is having 6 balloons. Okay? Now children, take your hand. Yes. How many fingers you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, your one hand has how many fingers? 5 fingers. Now, take your another hand. 7, 8, 9, 10. So, together how many fingers you have? 10 fingers. Together you have 10 fingers. Okay? So, children, I have 5 fingers in one hand and 5 fingers in another hand. Isn't it? So, when we put together, we get how many fingers? 10 fingers. So, when we put together, we get 10 fingers. Isn't it? Children, when we put together, that is, putting together is addition. What is it? Putting together is addition. We have 5 fingers in one hand and 5 fingers in another hand. Okay? When we put together, we get 10 fingers. So, this putting together is called addition. Okay? Putting together is addition. So, for adding, we have to use plus symbol. This plus symbol should be used and we have to put an equal to, then we will get the total. Okay? So, for adding, we have to put a plus sign, equal sign, then we will get the sum, total. Okay? We will do one more example. Children, let us do one activity. Okay? Shagar is feeding his parents. He has got 2 parents in his house. So, he is feeding his parents, giving food to the parents. Okay? So, he has 1 parent, 2 parents. He has 2 parents in his house. Okay? He is giving food to them. In the time, another 3 more parents came to join these 2 parents. 3 more parents fly down and join these 2 birds. So, how many are there in total? Let us see. 3, 4, 5. So, how do you add? You have already 2 parents, isn't it? Plus this 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 parents again join them. So, we will get a total of 5 parents. How many? 5 parents. So, we are counting forward. 1 and 2 is there. 2 words are already there. We are again putting together 3 more parents. 3 more parents we are putting together to get the total 5. So, how will we read this answer? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. How is it? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. One more sum we will do, okay? Children, now Diya has got 4 chocolates with her. How many chocolates? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And her friend gave her 2 more chocolates. Her friend gave her 2 more chocolates. So, how we will add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, she has got how many chocolates? 6 chocolates. How we will read this? 4 plus What is it? Her mother gave her 4 blue pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we will do to add this? Yes, we have to put a plus symbol here, plus sign. Oh, 3 plus 4. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many pencils she has altogether? Yes, the total is 7. She got 7 pencils. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Children, I hope you understood simple addition. You practice small problems in your notebook. Okay? Take care.